Hello and welcome to my channel, Sage Souls. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey, a journey that ventures into the mysterious realms of spirituality and science. We often think of these two fields as being worlds apart, but what if I told you they're more intertwined than you might think? What if the mysteries of the spiritual world and the empirical truths of science are two sides of the same coin? Today we're going to explore this fascinating intersection, this enigma of spiritual science. We'll delve into the realms of neuroscience, quantum physics, and spirituality, and uncover how they intertwine to shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. So sit back, open your mind, and prepare for a journey that will challenge your perceptions and broaden your horizons. Let's begin our journey into the enigma of spiritual science. Spirituality, a realm often associated with faith and the mystical, has a profound connection with the world of science. An intriguing mystery will unfold today. In the grand scheme of existence, spirituality and science have often been viewed as two separate entities. Spirituality, with its deep-rooted beliefs and mystical experiences, seems to live in stark contrast to the empirical, fact-based realm of science. This dichotomy, however, is not as clear-cut as it appears on the surface. As we peel back the layers, we begin to see intriguing overlaps, intersections, and interconnections between these two seemingly distinct fields. The principles and theories that govern the spheres of science and spirituality are not as disparate as they might seem at first glance. In fact, they often share common ground, intertwining in unexpected ways. This is not a recent revelation, but rather an understanding that has been gradually unfolding over centuries. Ancient philosophers, sages, and scientists alike have alluded to this profound connection. The wisdom of the ages whispers to us, hinting at a universe far more interconnected than we might initially perceive. In the world of quantum physics, for instance, theories that once seemed purely scientific now echo spiritual concepts. The idea of interconnectedness, a central theme in many spiritual traditions, finds a parallel in the scientific theory of quantum entanglement. Similarly, neuroscience has begun to explore the tangible effects of spiritual practices on the brain, revealing fascinating insights. As we continue to delve deeper, we find that spirituality and science are not opposing forces, but complementary aspects of our understanding of the universe. They both seek to answer the same fundamental questions about our existence, our purpose, and the nature of reality. While their methods and perspectives may differ, their end goals are strikingly similar. This is the enigma of spiritual science, a captivating puzzle that invites us to look beyond the obvious, to question, to explore, and to understand. It beckons us to transcend boundaries, to bridge gaps, and to perceive the world in a new light. Join us as we delve into this enigmatic realm where spirituality and science converge. Neuroscience has been shedding light on spiritual experiences for years, offering fascinating insights. Diving into the realm of neurotheology, the intersection of neuroscience and theology reveals the intricate dance between our brain and our spiritual experiences. The study of neurotheology aims to understand how religious and spiritual experiences influence our neurological functioning and vice versa. Consider the practice of meditation, a cornerstone of many spiritual traditions. Scientists have uncovered that long-term meditation can rewire the brain, leading to increased focus, emotional stability, and resilience to stress. This is not metaphorical but literal. Brain scans of seasoned meditators show heightened activity in areas associated with attention and emotional regulation, and even increased gray matter volume in certain regions. One groundbreaking study at Yale University found that during meditation, the brain's default mode network, associated with mind-wandering and self-referential thoughts, quiets down. This shift may be why meditators often report feelings of transcendence and unity, free from the bounds of their individual selves. But it's not just meditation. Other spiritual practices, like prayer and mindfulness, also leave their imprint on our neural pathways. Research has shown that these practices can help reduce anxiety, improve mood, and even alleviate symptoms of certain neurological disorders. Our understanding of these phenomena is still evolving, but the role of neurochemicals in spiritual experiences is undeniable. For instance, serotonin, often dubbed the happiness hormone, has been linked to feelings of well-being and spiritual experiences. On the other hand, the release of the hormone oxytocin during communal rituals and shared spiritual experiences may strengthen social bonds and foster a sense of belonging. These scientific insights don't take away from the profundity of spiritual experiences, but rather illuminate the beautiful complexity of our brains. They remind us that spirituality is not a vague, unattainable concept, but rather deeply rooted in our biology, in the very fabric of our being. As it appears, our brain holds the key to many spiritual experiences. Quantum physics, a field that explores the very fabric of the universe, has surprising ties to spirituality. Dive into the realm of the infinitesimally small, particles that form the structure of everything we know. This is where quantum physics and spirituality start to echo each other. The parallels may seem strange, even baffling, but they are intriguing nonetheless. Let's start with a concept called quantum entanglement. It's a phenomenon where two particles once linked remain connected irrespective of the distance between them. A change in one particle immediately affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. This mirrors the spiritual concept of interconnectedness, an idea that everything in the universe is intimately linked. Then there's the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It states that you cannot simultaneously know both the position and momentum of a particle. The act of observing influences the observed, a concept that echoes the spiritual belief in the power of attention and intention. Moreover, quantum physics posits that particles exist in multiple states at once, only settling into a single state when observed. This aligns with the spiritual idea of potentiality, that all possibilities exist until one is chosen. What does this mean? Are we saying that science and spirituality are one and the same? Not exactly. But these parallels suggest that perhaps they are two lenses through which we try to understand the same fundamental truths of the universe. Physicists like Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg have even acknowledged the philosophical implications of their work. They've recognized that their theories resonate with ancient spiritual wisdom. This doesn't mean quantum physics proves spirituality or vice versa, but it does suggest that these two seemingly disparate fields might be converging towards a similar understanding of reality. They offer different paths to the same destination, a deeper comprehension of the cosmos and our place within it. Indeed, the mysteries of the universe might be more intertwined with spirituality than we ever imagined. Beyond theories and experiments, the influence of spirituality manifests in our daily lives. If we peel back the layers of scientific jargon and complex theories, we find spirituality at work in the most ordinary of circumstances. It's there when we meditate in the quiet hours of the morning, when we find peace in a blooming flower, or when we experience awe at a breathtaking sunset. What's fascinating is that science is beginning to validate these experiences. It's showing us how spirituality, this seemingly intangible and subjective aspect of our lives, can have tangible and objective impacts on our mental health, well-being, and overall personal growth. Take meditation, for instance. This age-old spiritual practice has been embraced by millions around the globe. Science tells us that regular meditation can reduce stress and anxiety, improve attention and memory, and even alter the structure of our brains in positive ways. And then there's the power of gratitude, a cornerstone of many spiritual traditions. Studies suggest that the simple act of expressing gratitude can improve our mental health, foster resilience, and strengthen social relationships. Spirituality also encourages personal growth. It nudges us to look inward, to question our beliefs and values, and to strive for a higher purpose. This process of introspection and self-discovery, backed by the insights of psychology, can lead to profound personal transformations. Moreover, spirituality often compels us to connect with others, to empathize, to show kindness. These acts of compassion, supported by research in social psychology, can enhance our well-being and even contribute to a longer, healthier life. These are but a few glimpses into the real-life power of spirituality, and science is only beginning to uncover the full extent of its potential. It's a fascinating intersection of the subjective and objective, the personal and universal, the experiential and empirical. Spirituality, it seems, has the power to transform lives, and science is here to back that up. Our exploration into the science of spirituality has only just begun. We've journeyed through the realms of neuroscience, quantum physics, and real-life implications of spirituality. But like any worthy expedition, this exploration has only served to whet our appetite for understanding. As we stand on the precipice of knowledge, we realize there's a vast expanse of wisdom yet to be traversed. The beauty of this journey is that it's never-ending. Each question we answer opens up a new set of queries. Each discovery leads to more to be unearthed. It's a perpetual cycle of learning and growing, a constant evolution of our understanding. So how do we go further? How do we continue our expedition into the science of spirituality? Well, the answer is quite simple. We keep questioning, we keep learning, and we keep exploring. There's a myriad of resources available for the curious mind. Scientific journals, books, documentaries, lectures, and interviews with experts in the field are just a few clicks away. These resources can provide a more profound understanding, offering different perspectives and presenting new theories. Remember, the goal isn't to find definitive answers. The essence of science, after all, is in the pursuit of knowledge, not in its absolute acquisition. It's about understanding the processes, the mechanisms, the principles, and the laws that govern our existence and our experiences. In the realm of spirituality, this translates to understanding how our spiritual practices impact our brains, how our consciousness interacts with the universe, and how our spiritual beliefs influence our daily lives. So, let's keep the spirit of discovery alive. Let's continue to delve into the mysteries of our existence, guided by the principles of science. Let's foster a sense of curiosity and a hunger for knowledge. We started this journey together, and it's far from over. There's still so much to learn, so much to understand, and so much to discover. As we continue our journey into the realm of spirituality, let science be our guide, unraveling the mysteries that lie ahead. As we draw this journey to a close, I have a small request. If you found this exploration enlightening, if you felt the spark of curiosity ignite within you, then I invite you to join our quest for understanding. By liking this video and subscribing to this channel, you're not just supporting this platform, but you're also becoming a part of a community of seekers, of learners, of explorers. Your support enables us to delve deeper, to explore further, and to bring you more content like this. So, if you haven't done so already, consider clicking on the subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit the bell icon too. It ensures you don't miss out on any future expeditions into the realms of science and spirituality. Your engagement, your curiosity, your thirst for understanding is what drives this channel. So thank you for your support, thank you for your curiosity, and thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. As we continue to explore the intersection of science and spirituality, remember, the journey is as important as the destination. So let's keep seeking, let's keep learning, and let's keep exploring. The mysteries of our existence await us.